Welcome to the build chain. Today I will be showing you how to archive and restore inquiries. Go to Enquiries. Then click on the folder icon to archive the inquiry. When you archive an inquiry, it removes it from your live dashboard. This means merchants will no longer be able to quote. This feature is useful for when you have placed an order and no longer require more quotes, or if you submitted inquiries to assist with estimating costs for a project that you did not successfully secure. Archived inquiries can be restored at any time and none of your data will be lost, including quotes or uploaded documents. To restore the inquiry, click on Archived Inquiries. Find which inquiry you want to restore. And then click on Restore Inquiry. Go back to Enquiries. And you should see that the inquiry has been restored.